I am so excited to share 3 of my newest art journals. These 3 are based on my landscape scheme. I use my journal to, a lot of times, I'll do like inks, I'll do even paint. I do a lot of writing. I put my thoughts down in my journal. I do thumbnails. I'll do a whole page of thoughts. I'll do a page and then just start painting using a lot of my paints and brushes. And then I might have a whole page where I just paint exactly what I'm thinking. It's just a way for me to express myself. Here's a quote: "Art is not just what I create. It is how I breathe, how I pray, how I leave a piece of myself behind. This is a space where I'm free." I'll leave the link to where you can find these on my Amazon store, but this year I put numbers on each of the pages. Periodically, I'll have a quotation by me, maybe a saying, something inspirational, and it's a little more personal than the ones I've had in the last years. So I hope you find these fun. I'd love for you to grab one with me and fill them in throughout the year. And again, thank you for letting me share these. They're great inspiration for me every year.